Mic test, mic test. Let's go, let's go. So let's open our web thing. So we're gonna try Django. I've tried Django, but I've never really taken a leap on it. Like I've never go that deep on it. So let's go deep. Let's go deep. So as you can see, I have my browser over here, and I have my terminal over here. This is the terminal, and this is the browser. You can probably see it. So let's start, I guess, coding. First, let's actually go to our Django project. CD document. Not Python. Let me actually pick something. I think I have it. Python Django test folder right here. Let's go. Folder, I mean directory. Let's cd into, not cd into test one. Let's first activate termux, then source, the bin file, then the activate file, then start tmux. Let's go. Start tmux. I already said start tmux. Let's restart. So first we're gonna start tmux, source the activate file in the bin, then we're gonna start 2 sessions of tmux to be precise. So let's do that. So after we source, now we're gonna start coding after we source this. There's probably no viewers in this shit. Poor open widget, stream help. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. What? I don't know. Let's just keep on. Let's keep on. And now the stream is healthy. Yeah, let's just keep on, bruh. So bin, it's not in bin, it's in env. Bin. Then like the activate file right here. And let's actually copy that shit. Control Shift C, and let's start a new session. But first, let's rename this session first. Let's type code and start a new session. I think to start a new session, you need to like use this colon. Is that colon? I think that's colon. Then let's try it. Yeah. Then let's type compile. We're gonna run the server here and code here. So let's activate the bin file. I always say bin file. It's the activate file, bro. So after sourcing the activate file, let us now start the server. Last one. And let's python 3 manage that py what do you call that, Run server command. Let's go. Can y'all see it? Let me check the stream. Yeah, y'all can see it. Let's go. After this, let's switch to our code session. Let us now begin coding. So yeah, let's begin coding here. Oh, whoa. Before we actually do that, we need to seed in the best one. And let's start the nvim session here. What the hell? Let's yeah, I still need to update all of this. Bruh, wait, I'm just gonna quickly update all of these things. Wait. Bruh, I was just talking with my mic turned off. Dumbass right here, folks. Let's open the views py and let's start a new tab and open the I think templates. Yeah, templates. Then just one of the templates really, like this. Then let's open a tab again. Let's start a template again. Let's start a template. The fuck am I saying? Let's go to the static so we can like view the CSS. And whoa, god damn, 149 lines of CSS. That's not that bad though. I have projects that have exceed a sane amount of CSS. What do I mean by that? It exceeded almost like 500 lines, which was I should have just separated it so I could manage it much more concisely, but I didn't because I was a dumbass as usual. Peak Joval behavior right there. So let's finish this now. And if we actually go to our compile session, there's this link that we can copy. I'm not gonna click that. And paste this into the browser. Yes, as you can see, look at that website. That website gorgeous, ain't no lie. Ain't it? The website looking gorgeous as hell. Gorgeous as a bitch. But let me actually pause the stream here because I need to pee. Yay! I'm just gonna pee for a minute. Wait. So, hello, my non-existent viewers. I might actually like take. Oh fuck! That loop back, bro. I was listening to my own stream, so it might actually take 10 minutes for me to pee. So you'll need to wait patiently. Like I have a viewer, but I have no viewers in this bitch, bro. Why the fuck am I doing this? So I'ma be straight up pissing for, I guess, 20 minutes. A very human thing to do, and a very average and normal thing to do by a human being. Oh, bro, what the fuck? Let's just pause the fucking stream. Hello, hello, we back, we back. Immediately stream, bruh. Once I get back, immediately stream. Let's go.
So my dad said,
Let me actually share this stream to my
he's not real.
messenger.
Next keyboard. Get it? This one.
Can y'all hear me? Yeah, seems to be. What are they doing?
My Nintendo Switch case so I don't lose it. All my pizza rolls.
They seem to be doing nothing, I guess.
Tracker, though. I'll hide it under whatever this is. No, those pizza rolls were fire.
Oh.
Switch. How very convenient. I put a tracker in.
Hello.
10 minutes ago.
Let me actually share this. Oh God.
Wait, a 3-pound Hershey chocolate bar? This is better than a Switch. Whoa, what are you doing? What? I'm putting a tracker. ICE accidentally deported a man who was a prime suspect in the largest jewel.
I don't allow even if
Bro, madunggan, madyapong kabi.
go.
Yeah, that doesn't.
Yo, look at chat.
Let's go. Yes, let's go. I don't know if y'all can still hear me, but let me actually move out from this and wait. Let me mute a sec. So let's start. So what we wanna do now is... Hala, galup oy! Iluma, galup bak. Let's log in here. Let's log.
Yo, kuya! Nakakay una!
Golly, what the hell is it doing, bro? So let's log in. I forgot one of the accounts. Let me actually go to admin here. Admin. I think this is, yeah, this is the admin page. And let me type my account. Oh, boy. I forgot my password. Maybe it's this. Yes. That. Let's go to our emo items. Oh, users. Yeah, this Stark. Oh, I think I remember what the password was. Stark now. Let's log out.
Malaybang sa kubay!
So it's Stark. Hello. What? CRF verification failed. Request aborted. What does that mean? So it meant that it worked. Let's actually go to our... Let's go to the... Oh, I think I forgot to put the CRF token on the login HTML. So let's put that in. Yeah, let's put that in. You log in here, the login page. I did. What the fuck? Yeah, let's refresh this. This might just be a bug. Refresh. Let's log in to start. Hello. Oh shit, I messed up. Nope. Now it works. Now it works. So this is the like posting thing. You can post ignore that nigga. So on my last implementation of this posting, I made it so you could modify the username, but now I just made it that you can't now modify it. Even if you modified it from an input element right here, if you modify this input element, so we have this here, if you modify the value to Stark, ang oras 10:46 a.m. 10:46 a.m. So ignore that bit for a minute. Let's actually yeah, even if you modify the value Stark right here, it will not take effect. So let's actually do that to see that my theory is actually right. So theory, let's set our name to theory instead of Stark. Yes, you can see it is set to theory now. and we try to post something. Try to post test post summon like that. Then we post the emo, and as you can see, it is still Stark. So on my back end, actually, I'm gonna go to my back end. On my create emo page, when you're adding, where's that? Yeah, when you're saving on the database, I made it so the name, where's that thing? Yeah, the name, this right here is the actual user. So it gets the actual name of the user instead of getting the string from this input right here. Instead of getting this, I'ma just append it using I'ma just append it in the back end, so it is like, it's hard to bypass. I don't really know if that's hard to bypass. It's probably pretty easy to bypass on my behalf, but I don't really fucking care. Let's move on. So we have Stark here. He posted 2 shitters. Let's try logging out. It works! And as you can probably tell, there's this home path or home URL. If you actually go there without logging in, so wait, this, oh, this. So this is home right here. I tied it into the root. If you go there, it'll actually return a redirect to the login page. So if we do that, it'll return a redirect to the login page. So if we go back, where is that? Log in. So instead of using the like tag thing, like the what do you call this, the decoration tag that requires you to, before requesting this function, they need to be in this state. I did not use that. I just used a dumbass way of implementing that. Instead of using that decoration thing, I just used this. If request that user that is authenticated, redirect home. So if the current user is authenticated or logged in, then it returns a redirect to the home route. And if not, right here, I think, wait, yeah, this here, if not, if the user is not authenticated, it will return to the login page. I'm that nigga, bro.
Not that guy, bro.
Bro,
You're not him.
so
You're not
ignore
him.
that dude. What go? Let's just design this this login form. Let's put a CSS on that shit, and that's really it. That's my goal today. Make this look a little bit better. Yeah, that's the goal. Let me actually, I keep saying actually, bro. I need to stop that. I look like I'm like a fucking nerd when I'm actually not. Actually, babu. So I'ma pause my stream real quick. Okay, okay, I got my water now. Ignore that dude. That nigga has no father. Feather. He has
You have
no.
no father then. Give it.
That's my dumbass brother. Ignore that nigga. Let's actually finish streaming. So the goal today is just to improve this UI right here. It looks honestly kind of ass. You don't care, man. Again, oh, fuck, bro. Let's go. So here, first, let's edit the login. Let's put it in a like container. So go back here. That bro. Papansin yun.
Oh.
Control. Let's turn it like that. So log in. Then after, so we have now things set it up. I think you can see, yeah, you can see my screen. Let's now improve the login page. As you can probably, the login page is, what can I tell? It's very average looking. So we're gonna change that today with some CSS magic.
Oh.
Let's go. Form, login form. Let's on a div. Sunod na, next. Gugamanan. No. Okay. We're gonna add a pass off. Login container. Then I think I have some classes here that I can reuse on my CSS file. Let's actually look for one. Create contain. Yeah, I could use that. So, but it has inheritance. It implements it implements style to specific children's. I don't really want that. So what we need to do is just weave this, then not that, this, like weave this, then let's go to the very bottom and let's put here blog and page. Then yeah, I'm still streaming. I'm just checking. We're gonna refer to that container. Blog and container. And let's I think add some stuff. Yes, add some. Obviously, like let me actually focus here, not on talking, but actually coding. So you might hear some gibberish speaking. That's just me talking to myself. So I'm quite a weird guy. So just don't worry. Sit back and relax. Watch a dumb dude code. DSS. um.
I'm dead. Ugh.
Oh. Yes. I think I have a template for button as well. Yeah, this. Let's copy this. I not copy that, but this. Let's paste it into the .log and a container. Uh, .submit. I'm just gonna type btn so it's more specific. And I think I copied it directly. And we just this and let's try to refresh. Oh, I think this is wrong. Change that into submit btn. Refresh. Yes. Let's ask cheeks. I'm not gonna do that. I think. Yeah, I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna do that specifically. I'm just gonna create one myself. So. Oh shit. Let me change this into the console and yes. Let's just create a custom submit button, bruh. So how do we do that? Oh. First, let's add a border. Let's change the border. Let's actually change the width. Be 80%. 80% is pretty good. Change the border into 2px. And I'm checking. There's no one here. No chats. I'm all alone. Oh me. Uh, Black. Let me actually see my designs on. Oh shit! I can't. Let me open a new private window. Y'all could not probably see it, but I'm gonna log in
What the heck?
so I could like be consistent on my styling. To I'm gonna log in to start. Um, Hello, and am I logged in? Logged in? Yes, I am not logged in. Let's go. And let me do this. Oh, I'm actually just copy this. Did I use a custom border? Yeah, I think so. I think I did. Yeah, I did. That's cool. Yeah, let's do that. What color did I use? Also, post emo button. It is, oh, this thing. Oh, it is literally a variable. So let's just black, but the var. And this border right here. Then make that solid actually. And let's try refreshing. Yeah. That shit is still ass, but we can deal with that. And actually add a font size here. Kind of too random. Too random. That's too much. Let's do 1.3 RAM. Can you see my stream right now? Let me actually check. Yes, y'all can see it. That's too big, ain't it? Is that still too big? Let's make it 1.2. It's already 1.3. 1.1. Let's see. I'm rooting for, yeah. I don't know. Let's see. That still seems to be large. Let's just do 0.6 or something. I'm just, yes, it's closer, it's closer. I'm so picky, bruh. Yes, perfecto. And let's center all the items. Center all the items. Login container. Oh, why though? Why not just, yeah, I'm gonna center it manually now. I'm gonna put it in this line. Let's do align items center. Let's copy that. Justify content center. Let's, yes, that's what I'm rooting for, bruh. And for the label, I think they have labels here. Wait, let me go to inspect, and yeah, they have labels here. Label, yeah, label ID username, and we need to separate that, or just delete this whole damn thing and like put a placeholder on this. Let me actually look for inspiration. Login templates. I'm not stealing, I'm just looking for an inspiration. Definitely an inspiration. This looks pretty clean. Yeah, let's copy this. Not copy, but yeah, let's just copy that. Go fuck, bro. Let's do this. What? The width is 80%. Damn. What? That doesn't make any sense. What? What if I do 100%? That shit gonna do? What in the fuck? Oh, I did padding. Oh shit. Let's turn that shit off. What? That doesn't make any fucking sense. Wait, maybe it does, and I'm just a fucking dumbass. Wait, So this is a specific size, right? This might be like 10 rem. So log in container. This is good. This is not good. Box sizing, border box. Let me actually implement that padding right there. Wait, refresh that fully. And I don't honestly know why that is happening right there. Align center. What if you remove all this? It might just be the same. Even if I remove, oh, what? It limits it? That is whack as a that is whack as a bitch, bro. If that limits it. What about justifying all of this in the center? I mean, aligning all the items in the center. Yo, that is some bullshit, bro. Oh god, that is some bullshit. Actually, go to the label right here. Label. This shit might be overlapping somehow. So this is the label. Let's just get I'm not gonna get rid of this. I'm just gonna transform that. So instead of this, let's actually what? Yeah, these niggas are still talking about DDoSing, bro. This group is about programming. Create a group for hacking. God damn. Drink my water real quick. Stay hydrated, folks. Delicious ass water, bro. Finish. um, I think the form elements is somehow overlapping with the button, the submit button element. So what we're gonna do is first make this 80% because that's the original size that I initially wanted to be, and let's fix. Let's fix. So this is a duplicate. Why am I doing this? And let's go for ID username. Wow, can you refer to a fork? Let me actually search it up. Oh, is this a label? Oh, this is a label element. I could just label to that. So every label needs to have a width of 100%. Then a background color of yellow for debugging our style. And what the nah, bro, I'm sick of these niggas, bro. I said 100%. God damn. Niggas don't still listen, nigga. Wait, what's this? Since has a width has no effect on this element since it has a display of inline. Can y'all read that? Okay. Y'all can read that. Oh, we just need to change the display to hidden. Hidden. Display to block. Like the Minecraft name block. Yeah, I love Minecraft, bro. I've never played Minecraft in a while. I might. Yes, that's what I want. That's what I need. And the flex direction is column, but I keep saying but. Let's change the inputs. So I think inputs. Yeah, I'm still live, I think. The stream is healthy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And let's finish this. Oh, I can scroll the fuck down. That's crazy. Let's change this 100% the inputs. Wait. Inputs. Let me actually ditch out this private music. Nah, I'm not gonna ditch that. I might need that later. Yeah, as you can probably tell, I have a hoarding mentality, so I really need to change that. Yeah, this input right here, does it have an ID? Yes, it has an ID, but I'm just gonna do this. And whoa. Let me actually put it, oh, actually in the top, because it's in the very top. Let's do input. Then again, read display of block. Yes, but I don't know. That seems to be this a form class action. Oh, what if we did this dot login container login form yes, and let's make it a width of 100% in the display of block. Yes, it works properly now. So the input needs to be 80%, the same as the submit thing. And I'ma actually get rid of this background yellow. Seems to be not helping. And I don't, let's naman.
So harmless. Fighting my. I'm not in the mirror. I'm inside you. You so. My favorite song be like. Oh,
bro, I'm watching the cringy ass shit, bro. My brother trying to rage bait me, bro. Yeah, I'm watching all of that. Let's focus back again, and let me actually put an input here. I think it actually fits more when we use 100%. And for the submit button, I might not use a width, honestly, just make it an auto. Auto. Let's do that. Then we can just add a padding of 2 rem on each side. So let's, oh shit, let's do this, and padding on the left and the right. And yes.
Massive. It's even massive. And I love paper. Great.
So if we do that, that should hit the Nola. Then I'm gonna copy the background of post emo right here. This. Let's copy the background of yeah, the border. No, the background is what I initially meant. What? Why is there no background? What the fuck? What? Why is there no background? Let me just actually pick a goddamn background, but just a random background out of the wazoo. Let's do that. Submit button, background color, and let's do a variable. Let's try this. This one. Let's try it. Oh, it's just pure white. What the fuck did I expect then? Let's do the number one. Oh, it's this. Yeah, I do not want that. What the hell is you watching, bro? Let's put it right here. So how do I do that? Oh, let's just add a margin. How do we? Let's just do it, bruh. So to make this button be right here, can y'all see it? Checking my stream is healthy. Yes. So if we want to make this button right here to be at the very end right here, we just need to kind of margin it on the left and kind of calculate all the shitters to make it go to the very right. Do that. So margin left.
Yeah.
Bro, stop watching cringe ass shit, bro. Pareha bitaw kanila. Bro. What the fuck? Bro. So margin left 100%. Calc 100% minus width then wait, width plus wait, why is it that? Why is the plus? Did I put plus there? Let's put a 1.4 times 2. Yeah, something like that. 1.2 RAM I don't know if width returns its actual width. Let me actually research this. Like, can this work? Bro, why did I do that? Just paste. Bro, what the hell? I did not copy it properly. Let's do this. Oh, let's do AI mode. Yes, it can work, but you need to follow strict CSS and syntax rules. Yeah, width is really not a proper value. I'm just gonna delete the width thing. Yeah, let's just do that. Then, oh shit, where is my website? Oh shit. Yes, but what is this? What the hell? Yeah, let's just do it manually, bruh. What about 4? Yeah, that shit fit in. Let's do let's make the login container a little bit small, the width of it.
Argus. Argus. Argus.
Bruh, oh, then I brother keep distracting my ass, bro. Let's do this. Again, the previous plan. And refresh. Yes, that's perfecto. Perfecto for it. And let's make the labels a little bit small. So labels font size a little bit small. Oh, let's put this here. 0.6 RAM. So this is small now. Yes. Let's increase that a little bit. Yes, it is now increased. And what we need to do next is add a padding, not padding, but a gap. Alright. I don't. Kabal kita nakuha na.
Ikaw lang, Mike. Ikaw lang, Mike. Ikaw lang, Mike.
Bruh. Let's add a padding to each.
Ganang ginagawa.
Let's go to the input of username right here, ID username. Dot login container ID. Ah, it's an ID. So ID user. Hinay sana bibi ka dyan. ID username. So let's put this in. And let's put a margin to the very bottom, like a 2 RAM margin. So yes, it's like that, but I think that's too much. Let's do 1.7. That's still too much. Let's do 1.2. And I'm still adamant. Let's do 1.1. Bro, that did not change at all, bro. Let's just do fucking 0.8 RAM at this point, bro. Yes, that's perfecto. Yeah, madam. That's dog. Let's change this to, I think, the Ubuntu font or the Gothic thing. I think I have a Gothic font. Wait. Yo, what's up, Weaver? Yo. What's up? I'm doing good, dog. We here coding. What's up, Weaver? Let us now finish. When did you type that though? I have not been seeing the chat like for straight up 30 minutes. Thank you for watching though. Wait, let me. Yeah, I'm doing good, dog. I hope you too is doing good. We up in this bitch. Let's copy this Gothic right here. Do that. And let's add a font, family. And to add a font family, we just gotta do like not var but this, and paste this. Then after pasting that, let's do Shift B and change all the plus into spaces, make it global. Then that's actually it. Let's preview it. That did not change at all. What the hell? ID username, font family, special Gothic expand 1. Is that the actual name? Let me see it. I think, yeah, special Gothic expand 1. Yeah, I'm right. Why isn't it working then? Oh, instead of putting this here, let me actually put it in labels, like above font size, I think. Yes, it works now. Then after, I don't know if we could put a, what do you call that? Let's try to inspect here. Wait. Let me. I don't know how to add a them, like a placeholder. Let's research that. I don't really know how to make that. Let's do a new tab. how do can you modify a form element provided by Django? Like adding a placeholder inputs. Oh, sorry. I My bad. My mic okay? Let me see my recording real quick. Yeah, my mic's still okay. Let's go. Um, so this is modifying form fields and form files actually. Deep dive on this thing. Yes, you can easily modify Django forms, add placeholder, char star field. Oh, that's not what I mean though. Like directly modifying the values in this thing. Oh, is this Django? Yeah, I specified Django. Yeah. No, I'm not using third-party applications, bro. I'm literally just gonna be modifying the damn text. That's it. Last form control. I think we could just add a JavaScript. Yeah, we could do that. We could add a JavaScript. Let's GT the login page here. Let's just add a JavaScript in the static folder. I forgot where does JavaScript go. Where the fuck does JavaScript go? Templates? Let's search it up. Where is where does JavaScript go in a Django project? Forgot to put a question mark there, but oh, static folder. Do I have a static folder? Static folder, yeah, I have. Oh, you need to like make one. Need to make one static folder. Let me actually check my system if it's doing fine. Yeah, it's still doing fine. I hope it will not crash though. I just hope it doesn't. Continuing. Wait. Oh, you just gotta add a script. Oh, let's do that. So what we really need to just do is go to our templates and our base right here. Let's just add a script, as you can see on the highlight. I highlighted on the Firefox. On Firefox, I highlighted this script right here. We're just gonna put that into our base file. Let's do that. Paste. Not literally that, but this. Up. Let's do this and add this like that. Then after adding this, let's I think this is gonna go to the static folder. So static load static. So my app JS, my script. Oh. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Let's do like JS. I'm just gonna do JS right here. JS, my script. I'm just gonna do like font, just placeholder like that. It probably can't detect that. It will probably error, so we need to add that right now, right at this instance. Let's start the tab new and go to for templates, like for base, and we're gonna go back for static. Let's create a new folder. After creating a new folder, let's create that font file, font.js file. There any? Yeah, there's really nothing happening. Yeah, I, I think I'm gonna take a break soon because I'm kind of like my head is starting to get kind of lightheaded. It's not fully lightheaded yet. Don't worry. So I think I'm gonna end stream soon. I'm just gonna finish this real quick, perhaps. Yes. Let's just do console.log, some basic script right here. Like hello world or something. Hello world. Let's just go. Why did I go here? I don't know if this is gonna load. Let's see. Console. Yeah, hello world. It loaded. Yes. So we can just detect if they're on the like here. So let's do that. I'll go to my function. I'm gonna do if window dot location dot so you call the path window dot location. I think that's it. Uh, get the location of I from root HTML. Yeah, it is. Alright, and Java. Alright. Window that location. Yes. Path name. That path name, yes. This equals to. Oh, I forgot to envelope this. Let's do. Let's put the path name, I guess. Let me see if that's actually right before I exit the tab. So I'm gonna do. Oh, before doing this, I'm gonna see actually console.log the window to that location, that path name. Before I'm gonna do anything, please save it. What unknown mark? I did not put a mark, bro. What the hell? Yes, it's the login thing. Let's do that. Let's right and you can just delete this. This is not Python. What the fuck am I doing? Yeah, this needs this needs to come here, and let's actually console.log. Oh, let's just put this here like this. Then if we are at the login page, it'll print hello world. But if we are in the register page, it will not print nothing. Or I think I could just actually just do this. Copy this script, then put this script into the login page directly. Wait, static. Oh, we need to load the static. Fuck. Let's load the static. Um, load static. Oh. Oh shit. Wait. What? Ah. Oh. We need to do that first. Then. Yes, so we can just do this. Then let's go back to 2. We can get rid of this now. Useless. Not literally useless, but I have now a better method. So we go back to register, then we refresh, then we cannot see that thing. We cannot see the hello world output, but if we do the login, it will print out or log console. Bro, what the hell am I saying? It will log the hello world string right here. And she almost done. I'm gonna drink my water. Um, let's do this. I think he left. There's no viewers now. I think you have 0 viewers. I don't really care though. Let's. Yeah, I have. Oh, I have 4 views. Yay! I hit 4 views. Let's go. That's amazing. That's amazing, bruh. I hit 4 views. Damn, that's a huge achievement for it. I have like 0 views on all my streams. I have 1, but it's probably from my mom's phone. Like when I review my stream on my mom's phone to see like how the mic sounds, it's probably the only view. It's not even a views, it's a view because it's only one. So I get that sad shit out of the way. Let's finish this thing so I could break. I could take a break because I have been coding for a while. Let finish this. And it is now that. Let me rename. What do you mean? Let's go to the doc fonts. This username input. Yeah, username input. Let's get the document that get element by ID. Item. It returns my course. It returns an ID username right here. Let's copy that. Paste this. and let's put the password. Put then we go to inspector and see what the ID of password is. Sorry. Sorry again. Excuse me. Let's submit button. They div. Yeah, ID password. What do I expect? But it's literally just password. Change this to password. And we can just do like username that placeholder. Post that to like test input. Uncaught can't access property placeholder. Username input is no. Oh shit. Why did I put this hashtag right here? I'm a dumbass. Let's see. Yeah, it works. Let's do hello world. What do we put here? I think we're gonna put get username. Input username, something like that. Input username and in password. I'ma do this instead. This is better. Username here, and we're gonna do that. Just password here. We do that. Oh nah. Oh shit. I think it's password. Yes. Username here, password here. That looks a bit cringe. So let's place this with a dot. Username here, password here. Yes. And I'm actually gonna copy one of my things here, like on one of my effects. Let's copy that. But wait, let me change something. The color of this not the submit button. The submit button still looks unpolished. Let's change that. So let's go to our post emo button. Yeah, post emo. Yeah, this. Copy this straight up. Go to the very bottom and paste this here and this. Refresh and I have this. Then go back to this again, then copy. What do we want to copy here? I think the post button. What? Name input focus. Oh, I just made it to a pointer. What the fuck? Oh, let's also change the border to that. To this. The border radius to this. Let's do not 7 rem, god damn. 0.1 rem because it's very small. Yeah, that's, you can see the difference there. Yeah, that's it. Then gonna put a pointer, it'll turn into a pointer. Not pointer events, cursor. It'll turn into a pointer when you hover over it. Yes, and let's change the font family to be Ubuntu. Yeah, I use the Ubuntu font. That shit fire. Yes, after the bit. Did it actually change anything? It didn't actually change. I'm just gonna say, yeah, it didn't change. I'm just, I think this is Ubuntu by default. You put it in the body. Oh, why is it there? What? Ubuntu, it is here. Submit button. Family. Uh, Ubuntu. It is. What the hell? Yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and the inputs right here, I'm gonna also change that into Ubuntu. The font size to be 1 rem, so it is at least seeable. And let's go to our outline. Or is it? Yeah, it's almost, my stream is almost 2 hours. I need to stop, but let me change one thing now. Stop. Stop. Let me change one thing. Is this adding this thing? Let's add this to these hitters. Let's go to the very, wait. Copy this. Very bottom. Paste this. And let me copy some of the things to here. Puts, gonna put a mark here, a mark here. So we could switch. First we're gonna add, let's add, I think I added Ubuntu. I added Ubuntu, yes. Did I add the padding? I didn't add the padding. Add it here. Oh shit. I got it doubled. I don't care. Let's go. And I added border box. Let's also add this. Let's also the outline and Just the outline, border radius, and the background. And this.
Na, pwede man day ka mag-boxing tail.
Sabi rin. Oh, here. So the box size for the radius. A box more our padding border. That's cool. Also, that's cool. And the transition, I think there is. This is also add up. And lastly, the animation. We're just gonna copy this fully and add this. And instead of this, we're actually gonna copy this. Then let's paste that our input. So 13 is this, then not that, this, and after that, let's go to the very bottom. Or didn't I put a marker too? What? Oh, I deleted it. Yeah, let's delete that folder. Let's go and see the site. Is there a comment? Nope. And let's refresh the site. And when I focus on it, that thing changes. It's fire. And next is we're gonna get rid of the yellow thing. So gets rid of the yellow on our label. Yes, this. Then let's do the highlighting. Fresh. Yes. And after that, let's make this a little bit small. Yeah, if I like got rid of this, it'll do that. Let's that center. Let's log in form with 100%. What did I put it as with? Let's actually 50. Let's do 100% of this. Then do a like 60% of this. That. Oh shit. Plugin form. Play flex. X direction. Column. Why is it going out of bounds? Login form. Oh, the labels going 100% on this bitch. How do I make it so it respects? Instead of actually putting this on here, actually make another div, the class of that, and like delete this. Let's copy this, that, Make it a little bit cleaner. Let's space that out. And that's it. I think it's is it going out of bounds though? Oh, it's not respecting. I'm gonna do a relative. Is that even a thing? Relative. Let's just do a block. Why is it not respecting the thing? Dot login form. Dot login container flex align item center. Wait, let me actually. And oh, dot login form label that. Oh, it actually respects it. Yeah, you can see it like not going out of bounds. So it actually works, and I'm just a dumbass. Let's do that, leave it at that. So it's long. What we need to, yeah, it works right here. Do that, yeah, it works. We need to leave it at, whoops, shit, 50%. That. Then let's make the width of the login container small. Let's make the border right here. Border. Who shows the border, by the way? Yeah. Let's do this right here. Block shadow. Okay, let's show this instead of that. Yes. Then instead of adding the padding, let's put it here instead. Like that. Then, yes. After that, margin top, to right. Yes. And align item center, yes. Justify, just align the item center. That's really it. Here's our login page, and now it looks better. Although this thing is still not, yeah, I need to do a lot of designing on this one, chat. I think I'm gonna log out now. I'm gonna end my stream, to be precise. And that's it. That was a fun stream, I guess. This is the result. And I think I'm gonna end my stream now because it's getting too late and I need to take a break.
It's 12 o'clock.
And that's really it. It is 12:13 p.m.
What are you talking?
So I'm gonna take a break now and And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.